How to purify the smoke and dust in large welding workshop. Today, a video is used to make it clear that this is a 24-meter wide welding workshop. Air suction pipes are arranged on, and air blowing pipes are arranged on the other side, so that an air circulation layer can be formed above the whole welding workshop. After the welding smoke rises and meets the circulation layer, it is sucked into the dust removal equipment for filtration, and the filtered clean air is recycled and sent back to the space cycle, so as to achieve the effect of soot purification in the welding workshop. Choose a good welding smoke purification equipment. Please identify a more professional Jinengruy. Function: used as an online system for collecting high-volume, process-generated dust or impurities from the source point on a continuous basis to enhance the air quality. Application: YYVAC20HP Fume Extraction System Dust. Fumes Welding Robot Workstation Dust Control. Large Welding Workshop Dust Purification. Large Laser Cutting Machine. Plasma Cutting Machine Dust Removal, etc. The machine is built with 2.0 mm thick sheet metal, which goes through high-temperature pre-painting. YYVAC20HP Fume Extraction System Anti-Rust and Anti-Corrosion Process.